steps that I would really take are not that much different from what we would normally do for gearing up for pest season in terms of anticipating what pests are going to be an issue and how to be proactive about that. And I work with a lot of companies, and those that are really good at this, use a lot of data analysis. And so they look back at their trouble calls from last year in specific regions. If you're a smaller company just operating in one town, that's pretty easy. If you're a large PMP that's got nationwide coverage, those pests can really vary by region. So kind of diving into your history in terms of, hey, what caused problems last year, and when did those problems start to arise, and then kind of look at weather patterns. Hey, are we similar to last year, or are we very different? And just anticipating what is going to cause the challenges, and then being proactive in your treatments, so getting out ahead of the pests. And so, I would just tailor those treatment strategies to the pests that you anticipate being an issue. And just to dive into a couple examples with ants, what we're finding is that the Avion WDG applied at a higher volume in combination with maybe some gel baits if you're actively seeing trails, and some Avion insect granule, getting those materials out, using a good mix of materials to deliver the maximum pack to this maximum punch to those pests. You get out there now, use a good product mix, and just be smart about anticipating what pests you're going to have.